থাকক আপুনি এবাৰ কেমেৰাটো কিবা কৰিব নাই এই है ना
Size of its economy, but the health, happiness, and dignity of every citizen. The award, therefore, celebrates not just a shared principle of compassion, but our shared dream of a kinder and a peaceful world. This award feels personal, for it affirms the mission that I began some 22 years ago with the Narayana Foundation. It was born from my travels to the far corners of Bhutan. There, in the humble homes and remote villages, I witnessed hardship that broke my heart, yet also resilience that inspired it. From that experience came a simple, unbreakable conviction that everyone should benefit from the opportunities that are available and no one should be left behind. Together with the Royal Government of Bhutan, the Narayana Foundation has walked side by side with communities, building homes, restoring hope, creating sustainable livelihoods, and helping families rise from poverty with dignity. This Soldier of Humanity Award is not for me alone. It is a tribute to the unwavering and quiet courage of every partner, every volunteer, and every community member who has lent a hand. It is a collective recognition of our sacred, shared duty to reach out and to bring those in the shadows into the light. Our shared commitment to humanity is underpinned by the